Welcome to the ultimate guide to climate-smart packing. Say goodbye to packing stress and hello to travel-ready suitcases. Ever struggled with packing for different climates? You're alone. Countless travelers face this dilemma every time they're prepping for a trip. It's like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube in record time, right? Enter climate-smart packing. This is the art of packing precisely for the climate you're jetting off to. Avoid the common pitfalls of overpacking, forgetting essential items, or being unprepared for sudden weather changes. But don't worry, we have the perfect antidote for your packing woes: climate-smart packing. Climate-smart packing is not just about throwing clothes into your suitcase. It's a well-thought-out strategy that makes your travel hassle-free. Imagine being on a trip where you're never too cold, never too hot, and always prepared for the day's weather. That's the magic of climate-smart packing. Before you even unzip your suitcase, do some research. What's the weather like in your destination? Is it a tropical paradise or a winter wonderland? Or perhaps it's a bit of both. Knowing the climate will guide your packing decisions. For those heading to hot climates, think lightweight and breathable. Cotton and linen are your new best friends. These fabrics will keep you cool, even when the sun is blazing. Don't forget your sun protection. A wide-brimmed hat, sunglasses, and a high SPF sunscreen are must-haves. And yes, even in the paradise, occasional rain showers can surprise you. So, a compact, lightweight rain jacket might be a good idea. Now, for those venturing into colder climates, layering is key. Start with a thermal base layer to keep the warmth in. Add a middle layer for insulation, such as a fleece or sweater. Your outer layer should be a jacket that's windproof and waterproof. Accessories like gloves, hats, and scarves are not just fashion statements. They're essential for keeping those extremities warm. But what about destinations with mixed climates? Well, that's where versatility comes in. Pack items that can serve multiple purposes. A lightweight scarf can serve as a cover-up on a cool night or protect your shoulders from the sun during the day. Likewise, a waterproof jacket can be a windbreaker on a breezy beach day or your shield against a sudden rain shower. Remember, the goal is not to pack your entire closet, but to pack smartly and efficiently. It's about having the right items for the climate you're heading into. With a bit of research and some strategic packing, you'll be well equipped for your journey, no matter the weather. So, bid adieu to the packing woes and say hello to climate-smart packing. Now that we've got the basics down, let's dive into some pro tips. These are the secrets that seasoned travelers swear by. First off, always check the weather forecast of your destination a few days before you leave. This will give you the most accurate picture of what to expect and allow you to make any last-minute additions or subtractions to your suitcase. Secondly, embrace the magic of packing cubes. They are not just a trendy travel gadget, but a real game changer. By organizing your items into these cubes, you can easily locate what you need without disrupting the rest of your suitcase. Plus, they help maintain the integrity of your neatly folded clothes, even when you're constantly on the move. Thirdly, never underestimate the power of a well-planned packing list. Not only does it ensure you don't forget anything, but it also helps you resist that temptation to overpack. Remember, every item you pack should serve a purpose. If it doesn't, leave it at home. Here's a little anecdote to illustrate this point. Once upon a time, a seasoned traveler packed for a 2-week trip to Europe, using only a carry-on suitcase. Thanks to a meticulously curated packing list and the clever use of packing cubes, she managed to fit everything she needed, including a little extra room for souvenirs. With these expert tips, you're well on your way to becoming a packing guru. So we've covered the what, why, and how of climate-smart packing. But let's do a quick recap. First, we learned that climate-smart packing is more than just stuffing your suitcase. It's about equipping yourself with the right gear for your destination's climate, making travel a breeze. We also discovered that it helps reduce our carbon footprint by limiting the need for unnecessary purchases or laundry services while on the road. In terms of challenges, we've all been there. Packing for a tropical getaway, only to be greeted by a surprise cold front or vice versa. But with a few smart strategies, like layering for cold climates and opting for breathable fabrics in warmer regions, we can overcome these packing pitfalls. And let's not forget the golden rule of packing. Versatility is key. Choosing items that can be mixed and matched for various weather conditions saves space and effort. Remember, the world is unpredictable, but your suitcase doesn't have to be. Happy packing! And before we wrap up this packing journey, let's remember that travel is all about embracing the unexpected. With climate-smart packing, we can be prepared for just about anything Mother Nature throws our way. So next time you're preparing for a trip, keep these tips in mind and you'll be ready to face any climate change with ease. But remember, travel isn't just about reaching a destination. It's about the journey, the experiences, and the memories you make along the way. So pack smartly, travel responsibly, and make the most of every adventure. And that's a wrap on our Climate Smart Packing Guide. We hope you found these tips helpful, and we can't wait to hear about your travel adventures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels, everyone!